Today we're going to show you some of the clothes that we like to wear on our cruises.
And this is pretty much it. Shorts and a t-shirt.
That's true. During the day, you'll see us walking around the ship in our shorts and t-shirt. Pretty basic.
Yeah.
But when it comes to dinner, we like to change it up a little bit and get a little more dressy.
And on formal nights, you might see me in a jacket.
Yes. Now we also have another clothing video that we shot about 2 years ago, and it's all Shein and Temu clothes. We're going to put the link down in the description if you want to check that out. But today's video is going to be all different clothes.
All right, well, let's get started with formal wear.
Okay. Okay guys, here is our first formal outfits.
Yes. Now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I'm sorry. I've lost some weight. I didn't know that I looked like a clown in these clothes now. So we've got a cruise coming up very soon, and I didn't realize it. And now I need to go shopping and find something a little more that fits.
You don't look too bad. It's not that baggy.
Oh, I feel like I look like a clown.
We'll get you some new clothes.
All right. But I hate spending money on clothes.
Yes, if you know us, we are super cheap when it comes to clothes. We don't like to spend a lot of money at all, so...
Except my t-shirts. That's a different story.
Okay. But yes, we shop at Shein, Temu, we hit the clearance racks.
Ross,
Marshalls, TJ Maxx, favorite stores,
Yep.
yes. So, okay, this dress, however, it did come from Shein. It was a very affordable. I think it was under 20 bucks, which is amazing for a formal dress.
I have the matching shirt.
Yes, he's got a matching shirt. We didn't even plan that, really. But I love this dress. It is very comfortable. It's a little stretchy. It's got this iridescent kind of sheen to it.
Sparkles.
Sparkly. Let me give you a little spin. Here's the back. Yes, but with Shein dresses, you do have to be careful though. Sometimes the slits can be a little bit high. So walking around in this and sitting down, be careful with the slit because it can go up your leg a little bit high. But overall, I love this dress. And just for reference, this is a medium from Shein. Okay, so that's our first formal outfit.
Yep, I gotta get out of here because I gotta go shopping.
Well, we're gonna try on some more clothes first. All right, next one up. Okay, second formal look.
I'm gonna point out that there is no way I would bring a second jacket on one cruise, so this is for a different cruise.
Yes. This dress came from Ross. I have worn this on one other cruise. I like it. As with the other dress, it has a high slit too, so be mindful of these slits. They are pretty high, but overall, I like this dress, and it was very affordable because we got it at Ross.
Yep.
But yes, but it is a little bit long. It does drag the floor behind me, so I kind of have to pick it up when I'm walking down the stairs or, you know, just walking around the ship. But overall...
When you're walking carpet.
Yes, the red carpet. But this is one of our other looks. All right, on to the next one. Okay, here is my next elegant night dress. I really love this one too. This one is super sparkly and shiny. This one also came from Shein, and it was under 20 bucks as well. And for reference, this is a size small, and they also put like size 4. So size 4, small, from Shein. I'll give you a little spin. But I really like this dress. It's super comfy. It's got a little bit of stretch too. Not too much, but awesome, awesome shorter dress. Okay, one last formal look for you guys. This dress came from Marshalls. Very affordable. I don't remember how much it was. It's been hanging in my closet for a while. It's not one of my favorite dresses. I have not even worn it yet. Although it is very comfortable. It's super stretchy.
Looks nice.
It's okay. The glitter falls off all over the place. But I do remember it was on clearance. I just don't remember how much. But here's a little spin. Not bad.
All right, so this is what we wear for formal nights. Now again, you can do less, you can do more, you can be, you know, total shirt tie, tucks, you know, kind of thing. So you just got to do you and what makes you feel comfortable.
Yeah, you'll see all kinds of people dressed up, from ball gowns, tuxes, just jackets. You know, it just depends on you. There's no set rule about how fancy you need to be.
All right. Well, now for our next look. What are we going to do?
All right, we're going to change into some more casual dinner wear.
All right, let's do it.
All right. Okay, we're back with some more casual dinner wear.
Yep, so we're just going out. We're gonna go to see some shows at night. This is kind of what we wear.
Yes. Now I have on this green dress. This came from Shein. I love this dress. I first ordered the pink one. I love the pink one so much, I had to order more colors. So I have two now. I might even order another one because I love it so much.
How much were they?
They were like under $15. They're super affordable. There goes our cat. Super affordable. And yes, for reference, this is a size small from Shein. Let me give you a little spin. But I absolutely love these dresses. They're my all-time favorites.
Yeah, now I just got the simple button-down shirt kind of thing. I'm wearing shorts tonight. Kind of depends on how I feel, whether I wear the slacks or not. So, but this is pretty much it.
Okay, on to the next one. Okay, my next look is also from Shein, also a size small. We're going with a more longer looking dress.
Very summer-like.
Yes, I really like this dress. I'm gonna wear it on my next cruise. I have not worn it yet, so I'm excited to try it out.
Remember, we got flies, so you can't pack too much.
I'll try not to. We're gonna show off your shirt here.
Oh, sure. Sisters of Mercy, yes.
All right, we're gonna try to keep this short, so we're moving on to the next one. Okay, my next look. I don't always wear dresses to dinner. Sometimes I like to throw on some pants. This is a jumper outfit I got from Marshall's. Love it. Super good deal on clearance.
How's that, though, when you have to go to the bathroom?
This one is not too bad, but yes, you gotta take the whole thing down to go to the bathroom. That does suck a little bit, but hey, it's got pockets. Everybody loves pockets. Super comfortable. I really like it. I've got like 3 different ones I bought from Marshall's. They were all on clearance.
All right, well, I will see you on the dark side of the moon.
Okay. All right, moving on to the next one. Okay, here is my next casual dinner outfit. This outfit also came from Shein. This is also a size small.
Very cute.
It is cute. It's 2 pieces. It's not a jumper. It's the pants and the top. I like it. I have not worn this yet, so this will be on my next cruise. Super excited.
All right. I'm out of button-down shirts that fit me anymore. The rest of mine look like big clown tents. So I'll just show you some of my t-shirts.
Okay. All right, on to the next one. Okay, here is another casual dinner dress.
Very nice. Here's another t-shirt.
Very nice.
It's kind of sexy, girl.
Oh my God. So this also came from Shein, and it is also a small. But I like it. It's super comfy. I've worn this several times on a cruise. It's also one of my favorites.
All right, very nice. On to the next.
Okay. Okay, guys. We are going on our very first MSC cruise coming up. So they have what's called a white night.
Yep.
We thought we would participate with our white outfits.
Look at my nice red shoes for white night here.
But this dress I got from Shein. Haha.
Actually, this shirt was from Shein. So.
Yes. Our white outfit from Shein. Again, this is a size small. It was very cheap. Give you a little spin.
Very cute.
Super cute. It's not solid white, but that's okay. It's got a little tan. I think I'll be just fine.
Well, I couldn't pull the white shorts off. All white's not a look for me, so I went with just the white top.
So there you have it. This is our white outfits for white night. Okay, I wasn't sure if I was going to show any of my bathing suits, but why not? So this first one, actually the first 2 I'm going to show you are from Shein. They're both size small. This one is a tankini. It's 2 pieces. Now I am very particular about my bathing suits. I don't like the cheeky bottoms. I don't want my butt hanging out. So all of my bottoms are pretty modest. In fact, I just returned one to Shein. It was a little bit big. I had ordered a medium. It was a little big, and the bottoms also went up my butt. Did not like it, so that one had to go back. But this one is from Shein, and I'm going to show you one more that I have from Shein that I have not worn yet. Okay, here's my second bathing suit that I bought from Shein. I have not worn this one on a cruise yet. It is also a size small. I love it because it's pink. I love pink.
So,
There goes Scott in his swimsuit, trying to steal my spotlight again. Okay, back to mine. So, once again, this is from Shein. This is a size small. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these bottoms that it came with. They do fit a little snug on me. I have a pair of black ones that I might just switch them out for, but yes. And these are probably the most cheeky ones I have. These aren't really cheeky, but they are a little snug. So, but I love the top. The top is like really cute. So, on to the next one. The next one is gonna be from Mod Lily. I have quite a few from Mod Lily. I love all of their swimsuits. So, I'll be right back. Okay, here is my first swimsuit from Mod Lily. This is a tankini. They have super modest bottoms. I love all of the swimsuits I've gotten from there. They are super cute. I'll give you a little spin. And they're pretty affordable too. They're not as cheap as Shein. However, they do run sales all the time. So I think they're super affordable for what they are. So I have a few more that I'm going to show you from Mod Lily. I'll be right back. Okay, here is my next suit from Mod Lily. This is also a size small. All the ones I got from Mod Lily are size small. They're really, really cute. I have not worn this one yet. I'm going to take this on my next cruise, I think. I'll give you a little spin. But yeah, like I said, I absolutely love every suit I have gotten from Mod Lily. I think I have, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 suits I've got from Mod Lily. All awesome suits. Okay, here is another brand new one I just got from Mod Lily. Have not worn this one before. It is also a size small, 2-piece. I didn't know if you could tell from the last one, but they do have a lot of these high-waisted bathing suits, which is also great for trying to hide some of your stomach. But this one's super cute. Now I have a couple more that I think I'm going to show you, so I'll be right back with another one from Mod Lily. Okay, this is the last one I'm going to show you guys today. This is also from Mod Lily, also a size small, a tankini. Absolutely love this one. I've worn this many times. It's one of my all-time favorites. So if you're looking for a super cute tankini, Mod Lily has a ton of them. They are all affordable, really, really cute. If you haven't checked them out, you should go check them out because I absolutely love every single suit that I've gotten from them. All right, there you go, guys. We hope you enjoyed seeing some of the things that we like to wear on our cruises.
yes, like my attire here.
Yes, your lovely t-shirts. Yes, but in all seriousness, we really hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of our upcoming videos.
Yeah, please leave us a comment and let us know where you get your cruise deals from.
Yeah, where did you get your good bargains for your cruise clothes? I want to know.
All right, guys. Well, until next time.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.